What's up guys, welcome back to another weekly recipe video where I cook up a nutrient-dense meal for those folks looking to lose some body fat, build some muscle. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and hit that notification bell if you want to get notified anytime I make a new one. Enjoy. And welcome back guys to the kitchen. As always, we've got our mise en place, we've got our shit together, right? Trusty knife, broccoli that I cut into some little florets, those are ready to rock. Cherry tomatoes that I cut in half an onion, some pasta, any type will do. I like these, they really speak to my soul. Chili flakes and a little bit of sliced garlic. This is gonna be our sausage for today. You could use real sausage if you want. This is just ground turkey with oregano, salt and pepper, and a little bit of chili flakes. You could also cut that half and half with pork if you really wanted. And we've got our water boiling. We've got a hot pan on the stove. And this, you're gonna need a bulb of this. This is fennel. If you've never seen this, it's time to wake up and smell the roses. This is absolutely delicious. Give it a go, it's dirt cheap. Also, it comes with some fronds on top that look like this. I'll just set those aside. You're gonna see right at the end of this video how we're gonna use this to take this dish to the next level. We go Harry Houdini on this. Broccoli into the boiling water. Why do I use the colander? It just saves me time. As you all know, I'm lazy. Time is precious, broccoli is cheap. I've got a little bit of oil in the pan here, nice and hot. All I'm gonna do is add my ground turkey there, or your sausage, or whatever it might be. And we're just gonna crumble that up. It's been about a minute. I pull my broccoli out, it's just a little bit tender, and then the pasta goes in. Now let's learn how to cut this piece of fennel. All you gotta do, like I said, is take off the fronds on the top. So you can just go right across like that. And then what we're gonna do is remove the root. And what you can do from here is just slice it in half like so. And then we've got one neat piece right here, and you're just gonna thinly slice it, just like so. Just slice it all the way across, nice and thinly, just like that. That's what we're after. A little bit of flavor on there, a little bit of color. You're gonna add your onions and your fennel, just like this, break them up. Chili flake mixture that you had from earlier. You can use a little, you can use a lot. In just a couple minutes, the house is smelling amazing. We've got some color on this sausage here. The onions and the fennel are starting to tenderize a little bit. Just gonna keep those moving so they don't burn. Allow those to really get some good flavor there. Fuck, that smells good. God damn. Look at this. How long should I cook it? Just cook it until it's done, okay? Cook the pasta until it's done. Take it out, taste one. Yeah, that's tender. I like that. If you want to cook it more, cook it more. Let's just finish this off. Cherry tomatoes in there for some flavor, color, a little bit of pop. I'll put my broccoli back in. And all I'll do is just take my pasta just like that. Oh, it's ready to rock. And you're just gonna add it in. And then all you're gonna do is a little mix up. Like, that's just killer. Oh my God, so good. Oh my goodness, look at this. Just take a little bit of that pasta water, we put it in there just like that. And what we're gonna do is just scrape up the bottom of there. And that's just gonna help that sauce to really come together and start to grab onto that pasta, just like that. You want to do a little Leonardo da Vinci on it, you just take some of those fronds from your fennel you had earlier. Just take those fronds and just throw them right in there. Mix that all up, and you're good to go. That was good. Like I said, guys, totally customizable here. You can use pork, beef, lamb, whatever you want. You want to grate a little Farmer John on there like I did? Knock yourself out. Just make sure to subscribe to my channel, like these videos, leave a comment down below, and hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know whenever I make a new one. Thanks for watching.